A whole lot of lightning. These thunderstorms will produce some frequent lightning, very large hail, some damaging winds, and also the chance for some tornadoes. With lots of rain, we were talking about some flash flooding as well. John Marshall's going to have more on that in just a moment. But look at Interstate 44 all the way to I-40, Old Route 66, Tulsa to Oklahoma City. Those storms producing some heavy rain. Also, all of the lightning just lighting up the sky here from some of these storms. Moving rather quickly, but we've got more. This basically is the beginning. It's not the actual event. We are expecting more later today and into the evening hours. So we're going to time it all out for you, because as we look at this picture, 2.5 million people affected with the very likely area to see some of the severe weather we're talking about. It does include Oklahoma City, Wichita Falls, Amarillo, right on the cusp there. Extends over a good portion of Oklahoma and right into North Texas. As we look to future track, here's 5 o'clock this afternoon. Things are getting really active close to the commute home, especially close to Dallas, Amarillo, Lubbock. You always get these little renegade storms that pop up just out the Midland and continue to move through. That would be one to watch for sure. To the north, where the energy is, look at this, at 11 p.m. tonight. Major concern with this system that moves right over Oklahoma City, Wichita, and Kansas City. So a lot of the areas that have been seeing some severe weather, we'd be dealing with a whole lot of rain and maybe more severe weather again. This takes us through 5 o'clock in the morning. Notice it hasn't moved a whole lot, and the line extends now down to Midland, but Oklahoma City, Joplin, Wichita, Kansas City, still seeing the activity go on. Chance for tornadoes very likely today. In fact, we've got that big area from Oklahoma City to Wichita Falls. Here we could see EF-2 or stronger tornadoes possible. And you saw the timing. Later this evening through early tomorrow morning. You have to be ready to move if you get that tornado warning. Oklahoma City, Ardmore, Gainesville, Sumner, Wichita Falls, McAllister. Let's go into Oklahoma City, show you what's going on throughout the afternoon. All right, so 11 o'clock, you got some of those showers still coming through. You'll get a minor break, a window, a couple of hours. Do not let your guard down. Look what happens as we go to 9 p.m. in the evening. Things are really getting going here. Look at this line here, and we're going to pause at about 11. From Tuttle to Chickasaw. Look at this right here along Interstate 44. That is a major concern at 11 p.m. this evening. You can see all the way to Oklahoma City, but look at those dark shades in there. That could produce some severe weather and those large tornadoes we're talking about. Gusty winds as well. 5 o'clock in the morning, we continue with more of this. So we'll watch for this rainfall totals with this. We could easily see 2 to 3 inches, Amy, in some of those spots that get some of those storms firing off, especially overnight through tomorrow morning.
I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.